If you have been making bad soaps, you have a whole lot of bad soaps that you made that you don't even know where to start from, and you know you don't have money to pay for private tutoring, be it Bam Glam or any other coaches that teach people how to make laundry bar soap, please come and take a seat in front. Just sit in front, hold your pen, hold your paper, jot down everything I'll be teaching you today. Because after today, if you repeat this recipe in your house, you will have a fabulous outcome. And I want, when you make this soap, I would want you to actually message me on my WhatsApp and give me that review. I deserve it, right? So stay tuned and watch how I made this soap. Firstly, I want you to see how I dissolve my soda ash. This is about 800 ml of water, and into it I added my soda ash, 250 grams, and sugar, 150 grams. Sugar will just serve as a foam booster and also a gelling agent to help the soap to gel perfectly and give you this not really gel, like smooth texture. While soda ash is also a cleaning agent and helps to remove stains. The second thing I have in this black bucket is my Lye Solution. Lye Solution is my blend of my water, 2 liters, and 700 grams of my caustic soda. I mixed it overnight and allowed it to cool down because I'm making cold process. What I'm adding now is my fragrance. I'm using the cheapest of them all, which is pine oil. I sell pine oil 8,000 a liter, 8.5 a liter. Fragrance are very expensive, so you can use any one you want to use. Now, into that my Lye Solution I showed you, into it I'll be adding 500 ml of sodium silicate. That is half a liter of sodium silicate. And you may be wondering, why is Bam Glam adding sodium silicate? Is a hardener to help your soap to harden, because we're adding enormous water here. Then foam booster is practically optional. If you don't have a foam booster, skip it. So let's get straight into it. So this is the recipe. Take a screenshot. You're going to need it. I'll be using a combination of palm kernel oil and animal fat. You can also use only palm kernel oil or blend any oil you want to blend. But into your blend of oil, first go in with your soda ash solution. The one I mix soda ash and sugar, that is the first one I added. I hope you understand me. You can even combine it together with your caustic soda and pour in once, but try to follow this step. I know why. After that, before you now pour in the caustic soda solution, I hope you know by now that the caustic soda solutions contain both the sodium silicates and then the foam booster. If you agree with me, drop it in the comment section that you agree with me and hit the like button. Now, once you are done, mix everything together. You will have a batter that is as smooth as mine. If you don't have a batter that is as smooth as mine, it means that probably you might have something like palm oil in your recipe. Some palm oil is traced as quickly as possible, so I wouldn't even suggest you to use it. You can use pure palm kernel oil, you can use palm kernel oil and tallow. If you also use palm kernel oil and your own traces as quickly as possible, it might be as a result of the quality of the oil. Something like fatty PKO or sludge PKO can actually trace quick or try to gel. I'm using the blend of palm kernel oil they call yellow fever, straight from factory. Also bear in mind I will sell table cutters. We have table cutters of 75,000. We have the maxi table cutters for startup company, which we sell 150,000. And we also have the mini cutter, which we sell for 50,000 naira. If you are finding it difficult to source materials, let me know. Something like tallow. Tallow is 28,000 naira a bucket. I will just link you up to the people who make it. If you also want me to produce for you in bulk while you resell, irrespective of the state you find yourself in, we also offer bulk production. Bear that in mind. And you can contact me with my WhatsApp number on the screen. Now, all I did was to divide 3 colors, green color and then my pink color. And then after mixing it, I combine all into my bucket and then poured it straight into my mold. This particular mold here is a 12 by 20 mold, and this mold is among our mini set cutter. I'll be using the mini cutter to cut the soap. That mini cutter is good for those who are just starting soaping business, and it's sold for 50,000 naira to 60,000 naira, depending on the time of the year you see this video, so that you don't sue me that I say this price, I'm selling it this price. So depending on the time you see it, the price may range from 50,000 to 60,000. And it comes with 2 molds, the stamp, the groove, the shaper, and then the cutter, tabletop cutter itself, and it's 50,000 naira. This is one of the molds. So if you bought this mold from me, this video is also dedicated to you, so that you can easily make your first soap with the cutter you bought from me swiftly without having any difficulty. Please, if you agree with me, just write a thank you for me in the comment section, so that I will know that I'm communicating with you guys. Okay? Whenever you make your soap, so far it's a cold process soap, try as much as possible to cover the surface of the soap with nylon. It will help the soap not to ash. You wouldn't want, if you come out the next morning, you will see white patches on the surface of your soap, especially if you are using something like calcium or kaolin clay in your recipe. Those additives can actually cause your soap to ash on the surface. So always look for a thin film to cover, or something like a carton to cover. Just cover the surface of your soap. It will help you. Trust me. For those who are into cold. If you are new into soaping business, I will advise you, I will encourage you, find a mentor, find a coach, find somebody that can hold you by your hands. Find somewhere and belong to. Look for soapers group, anywhere, Facebook, WhatsApp, paid group, unpaid group, free groups. You need to be syncing your brain with other people who are also into soaping business, because it's from those kind of communities and gathering that you see people share problems, share solutions, and it may actually benefit you in what you are doing. So please try. There are so many soapers here on YouTube. There is Gloria Home of Skills, there is Crystal DIY, there is Nena Jacinta, there is N by I've forgotten her name. There are a whole lot of them. Just find somebody and attach yourself to somebody that can actually help you to grow in your soaping business. You see, this soaping business, it can put food on your table. You can actually change it from being a hobby. Oh, I love soaping, I love working with colors. You can actually change it from being a hobby to something that can earn you massive money, to a full-blown business, as in you become a CEO. If you check around you and nobody is doing soaping business around you, you can actually be the first person in your area to start it up. All you just need is guide. Or you can just start from making your first soap. You can check any of my video or any YouTube video, try out your hand and see what you are capable of doing or what you can make for yourself. Before you know, the next thing you need to do is to share that soap to friends and well-wishers and family for them to test for you and tell you how the soap outcome looks like. From there, you will know how to augment yourself and what next to do. Fragrance, test quality, how long it's lasting, and etc. Please, my fellow women, even the guys, soaping business now is filled with everybody. It's no longer women. Before, it used to be women that used to make soap and sell. Now everybody is trying to find food, going into entrepreneurship. I always encourage entrepreneurship. It's something that will grow old with you. It's something, as in, once you know a skill, you've learned a skill, till old age, that particular skill can still be fetching you money. And it's something that is very tangible that you can even pass down to your children, your family, and it's a business that can survive for a very long time. Because soap is a household commodity. This is something every household buys every day. Some people buy it 2, 3 before the day runs out. So if you can, and the bigger companies, the big brands that you know their name, can't even supply soap around the whole country. Do you know how many persons that are in Nigeria? They can't even get to all the rural areas and all the states. So that your small niche, that your small community, try and see how you can enter it very well. Go into the market, see how you can supply your soap to people. Go to shops. Go to homes. If you got to the ending part of this video, please write to the comment section, I agree with you. That is how I'll know who and who actually watched this video to the end. Thank you all for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.